Good afternoon. Welcome to Olive Grove Restaurant.
Hi, thank you. Can I sit here by the window?
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thanks. I love this view.
It's one of our favorite spots, too.
Nice. Could I get the menu, please?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like to start with something to drink?
What do you have?
We have soft drinks, fresh juices, coffee, and iced tea.
I'll take an iced tea, please.
Sweet or unsweetened?
Sweet, please.
Great choice. I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time with the menu.
Sure, I will.
Here's your iced tea.
Wow, that looks refreshing.
It's one of our best sellers.
I can see why. It tastes really good.
Glad you like it. Are you ready to order?
Almost. What's today's special?
The grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce.
That sounds delicious.
It's very popular with our customers.
Okay, I'll go with that.
Excellent choice. Would you like soup or salad with it?
Salad, please.
Dressing would you prefer?
Ranch.
Perfect. Any appetizers?
Maybe some garlic bread?
Got it. One garlic bread, one grilled salmon with salad.
Yes, that's right.
Great. I'll be back shortly with your appetizer.
Sounds good.
Here's your garlic bread, fresh out of the oven.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Careful, it's a bit hot.
Thanks for the warning.
Would you like some extra butter?
No, this is perfect.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Wow, that's so crispy.
I'm happy you like it.
Yeah, it's really tasty.
Your main dish will be out in just a few minutes.
No problem. I'm not in a hurry.
That's great.
You guys are busy today, huh?
Yes, weekends are always like this.
Must be fun, though.
It is, most of the time.
How long have you worked here?
About 2 years now.
Nice. You must know the menu by heart.
Pretty much.
And here's your grilled salmon with salad.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
The chef adds a lemon slice on top for extra flavor.
That's perfect.
Can I get you anything else?
No, this is great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
I'm glad you like it.
The sauce is amazing, creamy and tangy.
The chef will be happy to hear that.
Compliments to him.
I'll let him know.
The salad's fresh too.
We get all our vegetables locally.
Oh, that's nice. Fresh tastes better.
Exactly.
Do you serve desserts here?
Of course. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Our most popular item is the chocolate lava cake.
That sounds tempting.
It's warm inside with melted chocolate.
You're making it hard to resist.
That's my job.
Okay, I'll take the lava cake.
Excellent. Would you like it with ice cream?
Of course. Vanilla, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it right out.
Thanks.
Here's your dessert. Careful, the plate is warm.
Oh, wow. It looks beautiful.
And it tastes even better.
Takes a bite. Oh, you were right.
Told you so.
This is heaven.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Totally worth the calories.
Dessert calories don't count, right?
Exactly.
Would you like me to bring the check?
Not yet. I'm gonna finish this slowly.
Take your time.
This place has a really nice atmosphere.
Thank you. We try to keep it cozy.
You're doing a great job.
Appreciate that.
The service has been amazing.
Thank you so much. That means a lot.
You deserve a good tip.
Thank you in advance.
You're welcome.
Would you like anything to go?
No, I'm full.
All right. I'll bring your check whenever you're ready.
Sure, you can bring it now.
Here it is. Take your time.
Thanks.
I'll be right here if you need anything.
Okay. Checks the bill. Everything looks good.
Great.
Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll be right back with your receipt.
No rush.
Returns. Here you go.
Thanks. You've been really kind.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too.
Hope to see you again soon.